Good morning parents and children, welcome to SciKids virtual class. Today is our English class and we'll continue with learning our sounds of the vowels. We had completed in the previous class about learning A sounds and today we'll start with E sound words. So alphabet E has a sound that is A, So we'll learn about E sound words. We have done A sound words, now we'll learn about E sound words. So some of the E sound words are hen, H-E-N, hen, then pen, P-E-N, then ten, T-E-N. Let's start writing all the E sound words in our English copy. Let's start writing the E sound words. E sound words. Starting with hen. Do the drawing for the children. So here is our hen. Then write the word hen. H-E-N. Hen. Then the number 10. Let's do the figure. This 1, 0. So 10. T-E-N. Now let's do pen. P-E-N. The next word is bed. So do a rough drawing of a bed. Like so. B-E-D. Bed. Then after bed the next word is leg. Don't worry about the drawings. Just do some rough diagram. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Then the next word is den. D-E-N. Den. The next word is net. Spelling is N-E-T. So these were all the words. Ask your child to write this or repeat the words one by one. It will help them to learn the E sound words as well as learn the spellings of the words. Complete it till the end of the page. So that was it for the E sound words. Now coming to your homework. Bring this book out, that is Essential English Reader Pre-Primer. We had completed the letter A. We'll do alphabet B. B for baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. Then bat. B-A-T, bat. Then ball. B-A-L-L, ball. So capital letter. Ask your child to join the dots like this. This gives us capital B. Then join these dots. This gives us small b. So this is complete this page, that is page number 6. This is it for this book. Then bring your fun with writing book, small letter. We had completed A, so we'll do B. B for boy. Join the dotted lines. You will get a small B. And after joining all this, they'll get a hang of writing. So ask them to write here it on their own and complete this total page and this page as well, and ask them to color this, that is B for ball. So this is it for fun with writing, small letter. Now bring your my book of cursive writing. We had completed A. Now we'll do B. B for ball, B for balloon. Ask your child to join the dots. You'll get a B. Then write it here on their own, like so. Complete this total page. Complete this page, that is page number 4, as well as this page. Here we have some more words starting from B, that is book, banana, bat. Complete it as well, that is page number 5. So you have to do 4 and page number 5 from your cursive writing book. So parents and children, that was it for our English class today, and hope you complete all the tasks that I have given you. Thank you.